Hey everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. If you're applying for a plumber job and need to write a strong application letter, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll guide you through a well-structured, professional, and convincing plumber job application letter. Not only will I read the letter, but I'll also break it down step by step so you understand exactly what to write, how to format it, and why each part is important. By the end of this video, you'll be confident in writing your own job-winning application. So, let's get started. Step 1. Your contact information. At the very top of your letter, you should include your personal details. This is essential because it allows the employer to easily identify you and get in touch. Here's what it looks like in our example. James Turner, 1894 Maplewood Drive, San Diego, California, 92103. Email, james.turner@email.com. Phone, 619-5553-278. Now, let's go over each part. Your full name is at the top. This tells the employer who is applying. Your full address follows, which is useful, especially if the job is local. Companies often prefer hiring plumbers within their service area. Your email address. This should be professional. If you're using an old or unprofessional email, consider making a new one with just your name. Your phone number is next. This is how the employer can quickly reach you for an interview. Make sure your contact details are correct and up to date so you don't miss an important call or email. Step 2. The date. The next thing on the list is the date. In our example, we have February 27th, 2025. Adding the date is important because it helps organize applications. Employers often receive multiple applications, and having a clear date helps them track when yours was submitted. Always write the date in full format like this: month, day, year. It looks more professional. Step 3. The employer's contact information. After the date, you need to include the hiring manager's details. This ensures that your letter is directed to the right person and company. Here's how it appears in our sample letter. Hiring manager. Golden Flow Plumbing Services, 3421 Pacific Avenue, San Diego, California, 92110. Let's break it down. Hiring manager is used when we don't know the specific name of the person in charge. If you know their name, replace it with something like Dear Mr. Johnson. It adds a personal touch. Company name. This confirms where you're applying. Company address. Including this makes the letter look formal and well-structured. This section makes your letter look professional and well-organized. Step 4. The subject line, stating your purpose clearly. Next, we add the subject line. Subject, application for plumber position. This simple line tells the employer why you're writing in just a few words. When writing your own letter, make sure your subject line includes the position title you're applying for, a reference number if the job posting includes one. For example, if there's a reference code, you could write Application for Plumber Position, Ref. PLB-302. This helps the employer quickly identify your application. Step 5. The salutation, greeting the hiring manager. Now, let's move on to how we greet the employer. In our example, we write, Dear Hiring Manager. This greeting is formal and professional. If you know the hiring manager's name, it's always best to use it, like Dear Mr. Johnson or Dear Ms. Smith. Avoid generic greetings like To Whom It May Concern. They sound outdated and impersonal. If you can't find the hiring manager's name, Dear Hiring Manager is your best option. Step 6. The opening paragraph, introducing yourself. Now it's time to introduce yourself and explain why you're applying. Our letter begins with, I am writing to express my interest in the plumber position at Golden Flow Plumbing Services. With over 6 years of experience in residential and commercial plumbing, I have developed strong skills in installing, repairing, and maintaining plumbing systems. My expertise in pipe fittings, water heaters, and drainage systems, combined with my dedication to customer satisfaction, makes me a strong candidate for this role. Let's break it down. The first sentence clearly states the position you're applying for and the company name. The second sentence highlights your years of experience and key skills. The last sentence emphasizes technical skills and customer service experience, which are both crucial for a plumbing job. This introduction is short, direct, and effective. It tells the employer why they should keep reading. Step 7. The second paragraph, highlighting your skills and experience. The next paragraph provides more details about your work experience. In my previous role at Blue Wave Plumbing, I managed plumbing installations for new constructions, diagnosed and repaired leaks, and ensured compliance with local plumbing codes. I hold a certified journeyman plumber license and have extensive experience working with PVC, copper, and PX piping. Additionally, I am proficient in using power tools and diagnostic equipment to efficiently resolve plumbing issues. This paragraph adds credibility and depth by mentioning your previous employer and responsibilities, highlighting important skills such as installations, leak repairs, and compliance with plumbing codes, listing certifications. These add value to your application. Mentioning specific materials like PVC, copper, and PEX, which show industry knowledge. When writing your own application, be sure to include specific skills and tools relevant to plumbing. Step 8. The closing paragraph, expressing interest and requesting an interview. Now, it's time to wrap up your letter professionally. I am eager to bring my skills to Golden Flow Plumbing Services and contribute to your team's success. I would appreciate the opportunity to discuss how my experience aligns with your company's needs. Please feel free to contact me at 619-555-3278 or james.turner@email.com to schedule an interview. This paragraph does three important things: expresses enthusiasm for the job, encourages the employer to set up an interview, provides contact details again for easy follow-up. Step 9. The closing and signature. Finally, we end with, "Sincerely, James Turner." Sincerely is a professional closing statement. Other good options include, "Best regards," "Respectfully," and that's how you write a strong plumber job application letter. I hope this breakdown makes it easier for you to write your own letter. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching Writing Tutorials. See you in the next video.